Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can remove background from your photos in Photoshop. Now this is easier now. It used to be super hard to remove backgrounds, but now everything's automatic for some reasons, but I guess it makes it easier. You used to have to use the selection brush tool to do that. Okay, here. And like you can like select it and then remove the background, but now it's easier. You just select the image here and simply select remove background, and it's going to automatically remove it for you. It is that simple now, which I'm envious of because it used to not be this simple. But I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.